Okay, DIYers, the next car part I'm putting on is my belt tensioner, and it's also by Premium. Okay, so this is the belt tensioner, and it's also by Premium. All right, let's get busy. All right, DIYers, so getting ready to replace my tensioner, and as you can see, this is the original tensioner from Honda 2003. This is it. It's being replaced by the new one on the right. So this is the old one. This is the new one. So you can see the big difference. This is aftermarket part. All right, DIYers, let's do this. All right, DIYers, I'm going to finish replacing my tensioner. So let's get this put on here. Okay. We're going to go middle bolt first. I think that'll be the easiest for me to get it on. Get that started. Before I put on these other bolts on the bottom. So let me see. Okay, we got that started. Okay, I should be able to get these other ones on with no problem. Let me get them ready. Okay, there's one here. Now these are both 12, all three of these bolts are 12 millimeter bolts. So I make sure that I have included on everything the millimeter size of what's being taken off and what's being replaced. So these are 12 millimeter bolts, all three of them. Okay, now this last one is a little tricky. I remember it being tricky, me getting it the first time. So okay, so we got that there, that there. Okay, let me take this off so I can get it on. Okay, so I'm hoping, okay, let me find out where it is. I'm hoping to get it on. Let me see. Okay, that screws back there. I see it. Okay, I see the hole back there. So I should be able to get it in there. I should be able to get it in there with just screwing it in. Let me see, how am I going to do this? It's right there. It's back there. Okay. Am I going to need my 3/8? And slide it down there, or let me see, can I do it? Okay, let me grab my 3/8 socket. Okay, let me see if I can position this, because I know this was kind of tricky. Okay, maybe me see. What I may have to do is take off the take this tensioner off to get it, and I know that's a 14 millimeter, so let me do that. I'm going to take it off and then I'll put it back on. Okay, let me see, get this in here. Okay, let me see. Shouldn't have to tie it down. Okay, see if I can get it off. Okay, since it's brand new, it's easier to come off. When I took off my original tensioner, it kicked my ass a little bit. No, it didn't kick my ass a little bit, it kicked my ass a lot, actually. So I'm happy that, now remember, when you buy your wrenches, okay, this has got a 15-degree incline on it. It's not straight flat. So I would suggest that, you know, you make sure you have at least a 15-degree angle, so that way you can get into tight spaces, okay? And that's what this is, 15-degree angle. Make sure I'm in there. Yeah, it's 15-degree angle. Okay. So let me get in here. That was easy, actually. Okay, let me see. Yep, that was easy coming off. That was easy to... Came right off. I wish I'd had that luck with my original, taking it off. Man, that was rough. Okay, let me see what happened. Okay, something fell. Okay, got that. Okay. Okay. So I'm assuming that bolt was on the, let's see. Where'd this bolt fall from? Okay, obviously it was on there. Let me see. Hold on. Okay, so this fell. This fell. Right? So I gotta see if it fell off. It's brand new, so let me see something. Because that should ride just like that. Huh. Wonder where that came from. All right, let me look at my old, no, my old tensioner didn't have that. Let me look at my old tensioner. Okay, let me put this, let me get this in there. Should be able to get my hand in there now. Okay, let me see. Okay, there we go. That's better. Okay. Let me tighten it all the way. And we'll get it tighten it on. So okay, that's on there. Okay, let me tighten it. Okay. Okay. Let's make sure. Make sure that we're good there. Okay, that's tight. We'll do this front one. Take this off. Boy, parts are so much easier putting on than taking off, let me tell you. Okay. Okay. Hold on. Okay, that one's tight. Okay, I'm going to put my copper anti-seize lubricant on this this bolt, so that way it'll come out easier if I have to take it back off. So I'm gonna get a little dab on there. Let it do its magic. Okay. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna wrap it. Go here. Yep, that's enough. It's perfect. Let it go all the way up. So that way if I gotta pull this bad boy out, it ain't gonna give me no problems in the future. Alrighty. So I found out where this goes. This goes on the back to hold the bolt in place. So figured that out. Let me get that in there in its place. It's back here. Let me see. It's kind of a not difficult angle. I just gotta have to do it with this hand. Let me see. Moving my camera. Sorry. Let's see. Trying to get it in here. It's got a little slot to where it sits. Right? Okay, get your butt in there. Let me see. All right, let me try this other hand. Okay. Don't make this difficult. There we go. Do not make this difficult. I should be able to get it in with my right hand. Okay, I'm gonna figure it out one way or the other. Where'd it fall? Okay, let's try this again. It's right here. Should be able to get it right there. Let me see. Okay, let me make sure. Does it matter which side? Okay, that side right there. That's how it should go in. Boom, bingo. Okay, let me get my arm under here. Good thing I have my radiator loose. Good thing I loosened everything, man. Because, God, this makes it so much easier to be able to do stuff. Okay, let me see. Make sure that goes in. Okay, let me see. Okay, let me see. Get my finger. There we go. Now I can guide it. Okay, where's that hole? Let's see. There we go. Okay. Now let me turn it. Okay, let me grab my wrench. Just got to make sure it's in that screw so it doesn't fall out. Okay. No, just replacing all my pulleys and all my sensors. Alrighty, almost there. Let's see, hold on. Okay, hold on. That looked like it slipped. Let me see what's going on. Let me see. Let me get a small socket, screw that in. Okay, let me see. This might be too big. Yeah, okay. Okay. It's gonna take me, there it is, it's getting tight. Almost there. It's coming. Let me see if I can screw that. Okay, yeah, I can screw it. Okay, there we go. Now I can tighten it. Yeah, we don't want it too tight. Okay, it's gonna roll on the bearing, not a problem. Just gotta make sure it's tight enough though. There we go. Make sure that bearing. Okay, that's my pulley. Okay, no room to come out or come undone. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Progress is being made. Okay. Okay. All right. Tensioner's in. Okay, I'm getting ready to put on my alternator next, and then I'm going to put on my power steering pump after that.